Hello students, welcome to TechSimplified. Today we are going to discuss about electricity. What is electricity in a very simple way? Electricity is a part of our daily life. We use electricity to light our homes, run fans, charge mobile phones, and operate machines. But what exactly is electricity? So, let us understand electricity in a very simple way. Electricity is the flow of electric charges. In most electrical systems, these charges are called electrons. When electrons move through a material like a wire, electricity is produced. If electrons do not move, electricity does not exist. So, we can say that electricity is equal to flow of electrons. Everything around us is made up of very small particles, which is called as atoms. Inside every atom, there are electrons. Electrons carry a negative electric charge. The movement of these electrons creates electricity. Understand? So, to make electrons move, we need a source like a battery. A battery has two terminals, as we all know that, negative and positive. Electrons always move from the negative terminal to the positive terminal. And this movement of electron is called electric current. Okay, so now we see the easy example for understanding. Daily life example. Electricity can be easily understood using this example. We'll take an example of a water flow. When water flows through a pipe, it can do useful work. In the same way, when electrons flow through a wire, electrical work is done. Here, the wire acts like a pipe and electrons act like a flowing water. Okay, so we can say that water flow is equivalent to electron flow. Now we'll see the simple electric circuit. Electricity needs a complete path to flow. Okay, this complete path is called an electric circuit. A simple circuit includes a battery, a switch, a bulb, and connecting wires. When the circuit is complete, electricity flows and the bulb glows. Okay? Understand? Now we'll move towards the open circuit versus closed circuit. Okay? When the switch is on, the circuit becomes closed. In a closed circuit, electrons can move freely, so the bulb glows. When the switch is off, the circuit becomes open. In an open circuit, electrons cannot move, so the bulb does not glow. Okay? Understand? We'll summarize this everything. Electricity is the flow of electrons. Electrons move only when a closed circuit is present, and electricity is essential for modern life. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to this channel, and you can share with your friends and family. So students, subscribe to TechSimplified for more easy engineering concepts. Okay, so learn smart, learn simplified. Thank you.